Hi friends, welcome back. So today's story is a story about germs. With everything that has been going on, why we've been spending some extra time at home, why you might be seeing people wearing masks on their face, there's a lot of germs going around right now, and we need to keep our bodies safe, and we need to try not to get other people sick and try not to get sick ourselves. So, with that being said, I have a book about germs. This story is called I Know How We Fight Germs, and it's written by Kate Rowan. I know how we fight germs. Achoo! Sam sneezed a huge sneeze. Sam, said Mom, that's gross. Don't you have a tissue? And she pulled one out of her pocket and wiped his nose. Thanks, said Sam, and he sneezed again. Achoo! You have a cold, said Mom. I know, said Sam, and I know why colds make me sneeze. When I sneeze, I'm blowing cold germs out of my body. You certainly are, said Mom. That's how cold germs spread to other people and why you need to catch your sneeze in a tissue. If someone else breathes in your cold germs, they might get a cold too. Oh, said Sam, is that how I got this cold? Probably, said Mom. I suppose you caught it from someone at school. We studied germs at school, said Sam. My teacher said you can sneeze them a really long way. She said that you can sneeze them as far as 10 yards. That is a long way, said Mom. That's as far as 3 elephants standing in a line. Sam giggled. I wouldn't like to be near an elephant when it sneezed. Do you think elephants sneeze really loud? I bet they do. And I bet they sneeze through their trunk. Achoo! Sam peered at his tissue. You can't see germs, can you? No, said Mom. They're too tiny. Even the biggest ones are so small you could fit hundreds of thousands of them on the tip of your thumb. You can see germs only if you look at them through a microscope. Sam sniffed. I bet I've got a million germs inside of me. Billions, said Mom. But not all germs make us sick, and when they do, our bodies try to fight them off. I know, said Sam. I've got something in my blood that fights germs. That's right, said Mom. About half of your blood is water, but there are also lots of things called cells. Red ones and white ones. There are parts of cells called platelets, too. So up here it shows water plus red blood cells plus white blood cells plus platelets equals blood. So you need all of that for blood. There are? Asked Sam. Is that why blood is red? Because of the red blood cells? Mom nodded. And the white blood cells are the ones that kill the germs. They make special chemicals. They zap the cold germs with the chemicals and kill them. Cool, said Sam. Germ busters to the rescue. And he sneezed again. You should put your coat on, said Mom. Keeping warm helps your body fight colds. Okay, said Sam, but cold germs aren't the only bad germs, are they? Because when I had the chicken pox, the doctor said I caught chicken pox germs. Yes, he did, said Mom. That's because there are lots of different types of germs. They all do different things, and scientists divide them into groups. One group is called viruses. Cold germs and chicken pox germs are both viruses. And the sickness that's going around right now that you may hear your friends or your mommies and daddies talking about is a virus also. Oh yeah, I remember, said Sam. There are some germs called bacteria, said Mom. They're another germ group. Bacteria live on all kinds of things, but they especially love dirt. So if you eat dirty food or don't wash your hands before meals, bad bacteria can get into your body. That's why we need to wash our hands so we don't get bacteria inside of our body. Sam wiped his nose. Do white blood cells zap the back things too? They do kill them, but not by zapping, said Mom. When bacteria get into your blood, the white blood cells come along and gobble them up. Yuck, said Sam. Germ munchers to the rescue. How do you know about bacteria anyway, said Mom. Sam showed her a scab on his elbow. When I fell down at school, my teacher washed the dirt off and sprayed some stingy stuff on the cut. She said it was for the back things. Bacteria, said Mom. Yeah, said Sam. She said they might get into the cut and the spray helps kill them so the scab grows to keep them out. She said scabs are made when blood gets all sticky and hard. That's where the platelets come in, explained Mom. The parts of cells I was telling you about. Scabs are made by billions of platelets and red blood cells clumping and lumping together. So here's a picture of what a scab would look like when the blood gets hard and it keeps all the bacteria out. Yeah, said Sam. And when the skin's healed, the scab falls off. And that's why you need to keep cuts clean and not pick at scabs before they're ready to come off by themselves, said Mom, so that the bad bacteria don't get in. I know, said Sam, but I like picking at scabs. Not all bacteria are bad, though, said Mom. You have good bacteria living inside you all the time, helping keep you healthy. And some food has good bacteria in it, too, like yogurt and cheese. There are even bacteria that help make good soil. Do we have good soil? Asked Sam. Yes, said Mom. That's why we grow such great vegetables. Sam sighed. Like spinach, you mean? That's right, said Mom. Achoo! She sneezed a huge sneeze. Mom, said Sam, that's gross. Don't you have a tissue? And there's a picture of the white blood cells. And here's the virus and the bacteria getting zapped. It's a picture that Sam drew. The end. So I hope you learned something new about germs and why we need to keep our hands clean, why we need to cover our sneezes with a tissue or in our elbow. They didn't talk about that in the story, but that's also a safe way to cover your germs if you don't have a tissue, but the tissue is the best thing. And then we need to make sure we wash our hands after we blow our nose because we have germs on our hands as well. And we don't want to get anyone that we love or care about sick. I will see you guys next time. Bye.